Hello, my name is Mohit Jindal and welcome to my YouTube channel Coding with Moji. Let's start. Today we are going to see to upload any project directly to GitHub from VS Code. For that you firstly need to create folder. Like here, I make a folder animation, then create your project. Like for sample, I create an index.html file. After coming the project, use the logo of Git below the project section. Click it, then click on the initialize repository and select the files you want to upload on the GitHub. You need enter the message according to project, then commit the project. Without message, it will show error. Here you see the files and change section. Whenever you click on it, you see a plus button, click on it. That will select the files you want to upload. On those files you want to not upload marks as minus button. Remember, plus button for select and minus button for deselect. After commit, it will show you the publish branch. Enter the same message you entered during commit and click on publish branch. After enter the publish branch, it will show to upload the private repository or public repository. Select the as per you want here. I select the public, and here you see the animation name on top. It's same folder I created earlier. Here you can change the folder name. Also that will show on GitHub folder name. Like if I select Mohit, then it will show the folder name Mohit where all the files upload. Here below it, show you the files are successfully uploaded to your public repository on GitHub. If you find this video useful and love the content, then like the video, subscribe and comment down next topic and website. I will the next video on that topic. Bye for now.